Hello my dears, welcome to another video. It's me, your favorite creator, Russell Huntsman, and welcome to an amazing Amsterdam. Today is the beautiful weather. It's such a lovely evening, and today we are doing something incredible, as I'm usually saying. Today we're shooting actually one more street photography. Today we have one more street photography session, and I'm shooting on my favorite, actually, new lens, Helios 44m-4, which is Amsterdam, yeah. It's a vintage lens, it's incredible lens, and I was thinking it would be really cool to make a photo walk and do some cool street photography and try this thing actually in the real life, in the real world. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. With that being said, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, now we're gonna start our street photography POV session. Let's go! Alright, let's start this photo walk, and straight away I'm gonna tell it's gonna be quite tricky to shoot with this lens actually, because it's a manual lens and here is no such thing as autofocus. So in order to get really nice shot I need to just wait for it or take it really quick. So let's try, for example, take this one. I think it's gonna be a cool one. Let's just try, because here is some light and something is going on. For example, oh, that's weird, way too close. Focus. Let me see. Okay. It's a car. Come on. Not. Yes, I hope so. Okay, this is actually quite a good angle. Please don't look at my side. Please don't look here. Look at this. Okay, that's a really good one. Okay, I hope we got something. But it's really nice. It's really beautiful. I don't know if you can see all this beauty through the GoPro, but yeah, just trust me, it's cool. How about this one? Focus. Nope. Yes. Yeah, I hope. I don't know what to expect in terms of color grade, in terms of performance, in terms of everything. Absolutely zero idea what to expect from this lens. But I know one thing for sure, they're gonna be really squirrely, okay, and that's 100%. One more cool thing about this lens, it's a wide aperture lens, so it's supposed to be quite good in the low light, and we're actually gonna test it out as well. Oh boy, sorry. So annoying for me at first if I'm not gonna capture anything cool, anything awesome, but I will definitely get something like this. Man, come on, focus. Boom. Okay, it's not that sharp, but okay. But once again, I'm gonna see things out on a editing, but look at the flares. Oh, that is so cool. Oops, there's the tram. Let's try to, I don't know what actually. I'm not used to do. It's such a, interesting experience for me, because I'm getting completely out of my comfort zone. No autofocus, and it's quite tight, so crazy. Is the guy? Look at me. Okay. Alright. Make it this cool. Please be in focus. 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 That was dope. I have a feeling this shot will be really nice. And this one? Okay. It's just mind-blowing. Some shots are super dope. Straight away without editing. Wow. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, it's just the window. Nice. Nice. Okay, so I'm starting to love this thing actually. I'm starting to really love this lens. I don't know. I'm gonna even try to guess. Oh, that's retro dude. Oh, come on. Okay. I think we got some really dope shots here. I don't know what I'm shooting. No idea what I'm shooting. Absolutely no idea. It's supposed to be cool. Oops. Feeling really sure. Okay. I have a feeling about a shot. About this cool about a shot. I got a feeling about this one as well. Hold still. For me? How about this one? Looks pretty nice cinematic for me. To me. And yeah, it just looks cinematic, nice. Oh, let's get a picture of this dude. Here's pretty much nice lighting. Okay. Alright guys, thank you for being with me. It was a pleasure to have you here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Next time I will try to do some adjustment with this lens. I will try to get a full frame camera. I think it's going to be a way different experience, and also I will try to invite one of my beautiful models. With that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Peace.